What is condensation? Condensation is when water vapor, that is, the invisible gas in the air, cools down and turns back into liquid water. You can spot condensation when water droplets form on the outside of a cold drink or when you see foggy windows early in the morning. Let's break down this concept in bit more detail for kids. Imagine you have a cold glass of juice. The air around the glass has lots of tiny water vapor bits floating around. When these vapor bits touch the cold glass, they cool down and turn into tiny water drops. That's why your cup gets all wet on the outside. It's just like magic. Water comes out of thin air. Everyday examples. Dew on grass. In the morning, water vapor in the air turns into drops on plants. Foggy bathroom mirror. After a hot shower, steam touches cool glass and becomes water droplets. Fun fact: clouds in the sky. Water vapor rises and cools, turning into tiny droplets to make clouds. Try this easy experiment designed for kids. What you need is a clear drinking glass, some cold water or juice, ice cubes. Steps. First, fill the glass with cold water and put in a few ice cubes. Wait a few minutes and watch the outside of the glass. What's happening? You will see water droplets forming on the outside of the glass. That is condensation. The water vapor in the air turning into liquid drops when it hits something cold. Evaporation versus condensation. Evaporation means water heats up and turns into invisible gas that floats up into the air, like when puddles dry up in the sun. Condensation means water gas in the air cools down and turns back into tiny drops of water, like when water drops form on a cold glass or on leaves in the morning. Easy way to remember is evaporation means water goes up as gas. Condensation means water comes down as liquid drops. In short, evaporation is water going up into air as gas, and condensation is water coming down from air as liquid.